Welcome to Top Fin. Let's meet the competitors. Here comes Grinch with his top diamond, and Finch with Stairway, Brontosaurus with Bumblelum, and Wocket with his top Lucky Penny. Now for the big race. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and so far Diamond had a bad start. They're going pretty well, but Diamond is pretty near to the wall because of that mistake. It's doing pretty well. They're all doing pretty well. Oh, Bumblelum is out now because he stopped. Diamond, Devilwat, and Lucky Penny are the 3 left. Only one have got out. Now, I can see that Devilwat actually is wobbling a little bit. You can't really see that. Yeah, you can see that a little bit, probably a little bit. Oh, Diamond's doing the same thing. You probably can't see that as well. They're all wobbling a little bit, but not that much. Oh, looks like Devilwat is wobbling pretty lot. See what's gonna happen here? Oh, looks like Devilwat is going to stop now. So, Devilwat is out. Oh, and so is Diamond. Diamond is out as well. And the winner is Wocket with his top Lucky Penny. Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Grinch's second was his top diamond.
Yeah. That's just. Love.
Third is Finch with Devilwat. And Brontosaurus is last with his top Bumblelum.
Next time.
And that's the end of Top Fin.